All right, we are here at the next possible investment, and it looks like we're trying to get the code for this door. Yeah, they're asking 19,900, and we're gonna take a look. I'm gonna show you around, and we'll see what it is, what it looks like. All right, so we're gonna take a look at the back here to start, and we have mold going up. That's normal. I call this tarp thing here the Tallahassee roof. It's very standard for anytime you have any leaks starting to appear, you just throw up a tarp. Apparently, these back sheds are not a part of the property. So we need to really do a survey and check the lines. So yeah. In the meantime, okay. I thought he was calling me for a second. Don't want to get shocked. It is a metal door. Okay. So it's a tarp that's just hanging. There's no air conditioner here. It looks like there was a unit. Matter of fact, let me show you while I'm talking. Looks like there's a hookup right here. There's some copper piping here, and the cover for it. So this is the spot where it used to be, but there's none here now. Some HVAC system from scratch, at least 10,000. Hey.
So the key's been stolen.
Oh, really?
And they're not gonna have, and they'll be out here later on.
I'm recording for my show, my channel.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no, it's fine. No, we could just have a conversation like normal.
Okay. But yeah, so unfortunately, somebody stole a lockbox.
The lockbox.
And then he had a spare key that was underneath those bricks. That's why I kept on picking up those bricks.
Right.
Somebody stole the key.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
So, because the picture he sent me of where the key was, yeah, you just left it just like that. Like, dude, you can't leave a key like that.
And it's not
here.
there.
You can't leave a key like that or anything.
Oh man, no.
Anywhere you can't leave a key out there.
Right, you're right. Kind of.
I mean, out of the 20 million different places you could hide a key.
Yeah.
Here, I mean.
I looked at the lot lines. I'm trying to figure out where it stops because I know it's pretty short. It's not as big as.
Yeah, that would probably be these posts right here.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah.
Hi.
Probably this one. Oh no, that's right in the middle of the damn gum. Did I do?
Yeah, I don't know.
You like my other ride?
Yeah, I see. It was very smart. Very smart. You save some money, a little bit of gas.
About 55 miles to the gallon versus 18 on my truck.
Let's look at this ride, guys. 55 miles to the gallon. Harley Davidson. Not bad, huh?